Bitcoin emergency, we are going down. What's going on in the crypto space? You wanna know? Yes, then smash the like button, cause it's time for crypto news, fun on the right, crypto a tope. Not today, we are not a topic, today we are going down. We told you we had some problems, we told you we were in disbelief, and today we are not finding support in this line, friend crypto yellen, but all the contrary, we went south for good from 28,888, the line we shouldn't miss, we shouldn't lose, to 26,172 at time of recording this video. Crazy stuff. We of course lost the moving averages in the weekly chart of 20 and 200, link in the description to TradingView, and now our only hope is $25,000, where you can see we found support last time, and also it was resistant in the past August 2022. So we'll see about that, and if not, what you think is gonna happen? Maybe just we are following the fractal we did some weeks ago, then again that will go that will bring us to that $25,000 line. Also then we will start going up again around September. So that matches with the idea that August was going to be bad month for Bitcoin, and then we will recover. But any case, we were telling you that Bitcoin was boring with the gaps future, and we have a gap already. We called for it, so it's maybe a good thing that we have to go up to $27,595 in order to fill that gap now. Probably then to keep on going down. So be careful with that. Remember, 90% of those get filled, and then they continue with the trend. The trend right now is going down. So we'll see if this changes or not. But with the huge arrow here, the green one is just pointing to 29,235. This is the point we have to go before August the 21st in order to end the month in the green. Remember everything I told you about this in last video. Do not miss that out. We'll see about this CME futures gap. Crazy things since June. We didn't have one of those. And why this happened? We need to know why this happened, and we have a lot of possibilities, a lot of reasons, a lot of variables for this crash. On the one hand, the most popular narrative is that allegedly Elon Musk SpaceX had Bitcoin and now they sold it at some point somehow. So this is the most interesting narrative. And remember, the same Elon Musk is telling us that always the most entertainment outcome is the one that is mostly true. So maybe so, but some people believe this is just fake news, just again as that piece of information we had that the SEC was delaying all the ETF decisions to April or March 2024. That was not true. We told you about that yesterday. There is that deadline, but that doesn't mean that they have to go all the way to that point. They didn't say that. So maybe this is not even true. Wall Street Journal told us this, but this might even be fake news. We'll see about that. So more reasons. Yes, we have these 5 ones. Elon Musk, maybe everybody freak out because if he's selling Bitcoin, that means bad things for the crypto sphere. Also, some people believe that maybe if this is true, it's not a very bad thing because maybe they want to sell this Bitcoin because it would be easier buying from the ETF once approved. Maybe they needed just liquidity at the point. So who knows? Even if this is just true. So what more theories we have there? We have this one with the idea about the interest rate hikes. We have the minutes in the United States, minutes, and with those, the idea that they might raise rates again. So maybe it's that, but we knew about that. The market knows about that. We're still expecting one more rise this year. So why this would be now something important? Also, the recent rise in government bond yields could be the root case behind the sell-off, or maybe Evergrande just saying they are in bankrupt, the monster in China. Maybe this is that domino effect that we were fearing. Alex Kruger believe there's no clear trigger, but definitely not Evergrande, because TradFi barely moved on the news. So maybe it's just the whole picture of Chinese economy, the risk of a Chinese yuan devaluation, maybe is the significant role in this sell-off. Who knows? The thing is that in August 2015, when China devalued the yuan for the last time, Bitcoin prices declined by 23% during 2 weeks following the devaluation. Before a more meaningful rally started, Bitcoin finishes that year with 59% from the level of devaluation. So we are following the path of 2015 with this. Maybe so. Some other people believing that whales are selling big. Maybe some others believe that maybe it's BlackRock trying to dump the market because they want to buy before the ETF creation, and some other institutions, and they don't want Bitcoin expensive. So they are creating this new dip in order to buy it cheaper, and then we will have the big rise again. We'll see about that. Kevin Svensson telling us that timing is not correct for the idea of Elon Musk and that allegedly sell of crypto. So that's not the reason in his opinion. In his opinion, the idea is China economic news and US stock markets bears pressure on risk assets. But what do you know finally? Do you think it's Evergrande and all this China deflation thing? Do you think that it has to do with the futures open on Bitcoin? We had more liquidations than with FTX, which is difficult to understand. What are the reason? Maybe even it's because of Coinbase, because they hold trading of USDT and 2 other stablecoins in Canada because of regulations. Or do you think that the Bitcoin options that expire today are the cause of this volatility and decline? Who knows? Ben the Fact says here that the most interesting narrative is Elon Musk. We'll see if he says something. I didn't find an answer from Elon Musk right now, so we'll see about that. Dollar keep on following the path we created here, so it's not the reason, because dollar is not going up today. And remember that even Donald Trump, the former president, warns the US dollar is losing its dominance as the world's reserve currency. And we have on August the 22nd, the BRICS meeting, the BRICS summit. So we'll see if they go back to a gold-backed cryptocurrency, if they use Bitcoin as the new economy for the world. Here you have the stock market, Asia going down, United States yesterday going down, so crypto followed that path, and now crypto is fighting to be green, but we have all the crypto projects in the red. You can see here the worst of them: XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, huge losses. Say also, we told you about this project yesterday and it went up and down, so be careful as always with pump and dumps. Litecoin going down as we expected, more than we expected. It is already a 38% drop, 40% down. And XRP, sadly, we nailed it again, and it dropped that 57% that we expected in perfect timing. So again, I'm the counter indicator, but you can see here how accurate was our prediction this time. Ethereum lost the line, and we are going down up to 1,517 right now. So I just draw those lines in the past. Maybe we find support there. We'll tell you more in future videos here in Fun on the Ride. Remember to smash the like button and using the links in the description, so everything is free for you. Thanks to you and our partners like DEXTools.io, where you can follow all this crazy meme coin mania and crypto projects mania. Today, Pepe trying to survive there, but we broke the line. We didn't want to. So we'll see about that. It doesn't look good. Remember that you have 30% discount if you want to go to Galicia in September, and we will meet there. So use the link in the description to go to BlockGalicia and we meet there. The market is in the fear, of course, but now let's better try to be optimistic here with the new line that we draw, fixing the problem like Kaleo is doing. Also, remember that we have also good news always. Like, for example, this one, the SEC is going to approve a new instrument that would be Ethereum future-based funds. So they try to stop everything, but they are opening it more and more every day. And you see how allegedly with the piece of information of Elon Musk selling, the price of everything went down here, Bitcoin, but then with this piece of information of the SEC, we went up. So again, as always, up and down. And remember, development is growing. And here you see a monster like Grayscale team hiring for ETF team. So they expect the creation on an ETF. If not, they will not be hiring. And remember always this optimistic chart we told you about in past videos, where we don't care what's doing Bitcoin today or tomorrow. We expect April 2024 having Bitcoin in the previous all-time high, 69,999. And we expect the next year, April 2025, to a new all-time high, hopefully $1 million. We'll see about that. Remember that right now you have the chance of learning how to trade futures with CoinX. Link in the description. You will use margin with not your money, so you can lose a great opportunity with CoinX, the exchange that tries to make things easier for you. Just open an account right now and you have the channel. Thank you very much. That way you will be counting your money, maybe those old yuans that you own, or maybe not, because maybe you just try to nail it and what you nail is a huge crash like this poor cat. Oh mama, that hurts. Also, this guy almost fell like Bitcoin did, but it finds some help from some rider friends. Everybody is mad today with the market conditions, like these guys, like, leave me alone. I don't like you anymore. I'm mad because Bitcoin is supposed to be $1 million and it's just going down and I'm not happy with that. Come on, everything's gonna be okay. I don't want to be okay. Leave me alone. Oh my God, sometimes the market feels like it's splashing you all the time just in your face, and you find no exit, but you have to keep on working and you need to try different ways until finally we do it and we go through all this crypto winter. And remember that sometimes all you need is to be patient. Like this dog, this Dogecoin is under the train. It's going to die. The market conditions are terrible. But it just waited and waited, and then he just saved itself. Because finally, the crypto winter needs to end, and we have the summertime. So happy, this little dog out there. And sometimes you just need a hug. So if you need that, here you have it. Just enjoy life. It's okay if the market goes down. We don't care about it. Remember, we are here, the community where you can be happy if the market goes up or if the market goes down too. It's just okay. And maybe you are so tired right now about all this information. So yeah, let's rest a little bit. But remember, being happy with the little things like this bird just dancing around the computer, of course. No more time today. If you want this in Spanish, go to our primary channel. If you want more in English, just wait here till Monday, the next show. Crypto news, fun on the ride, health, money, love, party in peace. The best is yet to come. Crypto a tope and to the moon. To the moon!